guys, welcome back to the channel The Techie Guy, and in this video we are going to solve this question, number of employees which reports to each employee, and it is a question from SQL 50 series, and we have solved these many of the questions till now. And for these solutions you can go to that playlist in Techie Guy channel, and all the videos are there. So right now we will focus on this video, and the question is number of employees which reports to each employee. So yeah, first of all we have given one employee table, that is employees, where four columns are there. So four columns which are employee ID, that is integer type, name, that is varchar, reports to is an integer, and age is also integer. Now employee ID is the column with unique values, that means this is the primary key. Now this table contains information about the employees and IDs of the manager they reports to. Okay, some employees do not report to anyone, so reports is null. Okay, reports to is null if someone like doesn't belong to anything, doesn't report to anyone, that means he's a manager itself, that is why he's not reporting to anyone, so that will be null. Okay, so now for this problem we will consider a manager, an employee. Okay, a manager, an employee who at least one other employee is reporting to them. Okay, so that will be manager. Okay, so write a solution to report IDs and names of all manager, the number of employees who reports directly to them, and the average age of the reports rounded to the nearest integer. Return the result ordered by employee ID. Okay, the result format is accordingly. Now this statement is a bullshit. I never read what is required, what they have explaining. We just need to see most of the times input and output, like what is the requirement and what needs to be done. Now, employee table is this employees. So employees are 9, 6, 4, and 2. Names of the employees: Harry, Alice, Bob, and Winston. So reports to 9, 9. So 6 reports to 9, 4 reports to 9. So 9 is the manager. So here is the answer to 9. 9 to Harry, this. Okay. Average age. Average age of whom? Those. Like 41 plus 36 and divided by 2. That is, the Hersey has two people reportedly directly to him, Alice and Bob. Their average is 41 plus 36, that is to 38.5, which is 39 after rounding it to the nearest integer. Okay, so we also have one extra input. So let's see, 1 1, 2 2, 1 3, and all is null. Okay, so 1, who is 1? Yeah, Michael is 1. Michael is 1, first thing. 2, who is 2? Alice is 2, and who is 3? Bob is 3. Okay, so these are the inputs, like outputs we need to find. So to tackle this, I am having one idea. So what I'm going to do, I will take this reports to as a temp table. So I will make a temporary table where I will take this reports to count. Okay, and this average. So these three things will be there, and I will join this based on this reports to ID, and I will take from here this ID, and basically I will left join this and will neglect this null thing. Okay, and I will try to find out. So for example, what will be my answer here? ID, this one is count, this one is average. ID is 1, so for 1, how many counts is there? 2 counts. Okay, what was the average is 42 plus this, so 0, carry over 1, 80 divided by 2, so 40 overall. Now second is 2, count of 2 is 2. Now 34 plus this 74 divided by 2 is 32 or something, not 32, 37 something. Okay, next is 3 3 का count is 1 and this thing, what this thing is, this thing is 37. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. Let's see and try to solve whether we are able to back this or not. Like this solution, select star from employees. Now what I'm going to take, I want reports to and average. Since counts to I don't require, so I'm just taking the average by age. I need to do this group by as well, group by reports to. Let's just see what is going to come here. If I am getting this thing, like this thing 9 2, then it is fine for me. So for 9 I'm getting 38.5. That is good. Okay, so we also want reports count, so count is also necessary since we need to print that. So nothing, wait, come here, writing count of reports to, simple, naming it as CNT, running. Wrong answer, as desired, null. We don't want any null here, no worries. So 9, focus on 9 to 39. What we can do, we can round this average as well. Round of this, what we can say as AVJ age. Let's say AVJ age. Now we'll try to run. Yeah, still I'm getting wrong answer, no worries. No worries, okay. What I'm trying to do here, I'm just trying to find this answer 9, that is belongs to Hersey, 2 and 39. Till here we are correct. Let's say second option. In second option we should have 3 outputs. So ignoring null, 1 2 40 is correct, 2 2 37 is correct, 3 1 37 is correct. Okay, till now we are fine. What we can do, close this with temp as, instead of reports to, write here ID. Now select star from employees, naming it at E, not left join. I will join this because I just I don't want any extra stuff, right? So temp, join temp on temp dot id, reports to is the id. Now what we are going to do here is joining by employee id. Okay, now here just take what thing you need. Now I am taking E dot this employee id. You can take this id as well, it is also fine. Okay, employee id, E dot name. Second thing is report count, reports count. So temp dot cnt as reports count. Comma. Next thing is average. So what I'm going to say is temp dot avg age is equal to average age. Okay. For better visibility, let's see this. Okay. I'm 100% sure that this is going to work. Let me run this. Yeah, both cases are accepted. So let's underground this. Let me run here whether I am able to see those result sets or not. Yeah, I am able to. Are they hiding somewhere? Last submitted code, reset code, save notes. No, 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 nothing. So anyways, whether it is like it is showing to me. So let's clear this first. With this temp table, we found it. We found IDs, its count, its average age. what we did, we simply did join, a direct join, to tackle those null values which were coming. Okay, to tackle those null values. And sometimes you also need those null values and you wanted to neglect those while doing where statements. But here I did not make a chance because I don't want these kinds of conditions, right? So I did temp.id join. ID here is reports count, that is also a employee ID anyways. Okay, and e.employee ID. I'm taking employee ID from here. You can take from this reports too as well. Anything is fine because it is same. Okay, because join is based on that only. And e dot name, that is required, temp dot count as reports count, and temp dot average age equal to average age. So this will be a great solution to it. Let's submit this and close this solution. As we are getting, look, both outputs fine as expected. Let's submit this. Okay, I'm getting a wrong answer as well. Okay, yes, I am getting a wrong answer because here they want us to sort as well. I know they told us somewhere, yeah, ordered by employee ID. What we are going to do, we will go to our submissions, we will go to our wrong answer, use this case as well. Okay, come here, order by e dot, this same thing, put it here, run now. This is a very good thing. If you are like looking to your solution, just use this test case which was failing, and this time it is correct. Now submitting it. Yeah, submission is done. And if you are having any doubts, just come to this Techie Guy channel, and you will be having your all answers here. You can just comment on this channel. Just type the Techie Guy, and this channel will appear. And hopefully, I will help you in upcoming lectures as well. So thank you for watching.